Hello everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at MCR Medical. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of our most popular CPR training kits, the PRESTAN Take2 kit with MCR Medical Accessories. So, what's in the box? The PRESTAN Take2 Diversity CPR Manikin and AED kit provides all of the essentials to begin a CPR training career in one affordable collection. Your kit includes 2 adult PRESTAN Professional Series CPR mannequins with feedback and 20 adult lung bags. It also includes 2 infant PRESTAN CPR mannequins with feedback and 20 infant lung bags. You will receive 1 medium skin tone and 1 dark skin tone adult, and 1 medium skin tone and 1 dark skin tone infant with this diversity kit. You will also receive 2 PRESTAN AED Ultra Trainer AED training devices. In addition, you will get this specially designed carry case with foam inserts and repacking instructions that will hold everything in the kit. You will also receive 2 adult MCR Medical Mani vests, 2 infant MCR Medical Mani bibs, and 2 MCR mats for kneeling. I would like to note that all of the mannequins in this kit are fully compliant with the current American Heart Association guidelines for rate and depth feedback. Your kit will come in this nifty carry bag with handles for easy transport as well as a dual zipper system. Inside the bag, you will find a packet containing 20 adult lung bags and 20 infant lung bags, and instructions for the mannequins and AED trainers as well. You will also find all 4 mannequins and both AED trainers. For video viewing purposes, I have removed the plastic that your mannequins will come wrapped in. In the adult mannequins, the rate monitor is located on the back left-hand shoulder of the mannequin, and the lights will shine through the front of the shoulder. In the infant mannequin, the rate monitor is located in the diaper area of the mannequin, and the lights will shine through this area as well, indicating rate of compression. The rate monitor can be accessed by using a flathead screwdriver or butter knife to gently pry open the diaper cover. Please note that each rate monitor will require 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Also included in this kit are 2 PRESTAN AED Ultra Trainers. Please note that these units are for training purposes only and cannot be used for patient defibrillation. The PRESTAN Ultra Trainer AED training devices are pre-programmed with 5 training scenarios in English and Spanish. Your Ultra Trainers will come with their own zippered heavy gauge fabric carry case with handle, and each device will require 3 C batteries, which are not included. Inside the case, you will find the AED training device, 1 set of pre-connected dual adult-child training pads and cables, and 1 instruction manual. You will also find 4 extra connector pins per device to use when connecting the pads to the cables. I would also like to mention that all PRESTAN products in this kit come with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty against defects in workmanship or materials. Here at MCR Medical, we handle all warranty claims on behalf of PRESTAN, so if you were to ever experience any issues with any of your products, you can call us directly, and we are more than happy to get you taken care of with the appropriate replacement parts. To repack the carry bag, you will first want to pack both AED trainers in the smaller compartment at the bottom of the bag. Next, you will want to pack both adult mannequin heads in the larger bottom compartment. Third, you will pack up the torsos of the adult mannequins side by side, facing in opposite directions as shown in the photo. Next, you will close the inside flaps of the bag, and lastly, pack up both infant mannequins and zip the bag closed. The carry bag dimensions are 26.5 inches by 15.5 inches by 17 inches. Now moving on to the MCR medical accessories. This kit includes a few MCR medical accessories that are sure to enhance your CPR classes. You will receive 2 mani vests and 2 mani bibs, which will help to keep your mannequins clean and looking stylish, and also provides a lifelike training situation for your students as they have to practice removing clothing before applying AED pads. The mani bibs come equipped with a small pocket so that your students have a clear visual of the feedback device located in the diaper area. For your convenience, the mani bibs were designed to fold down to allow easy access to the chest area for lung bag installation without having to remove the entire onesie. Last but certainly not least are the MCR Medical CPR kneeling mats. Patients in need of care or resuscitation don't often collapse conveniently on a table or a raised surface, meaning we must be on the floor to practice and perform life-saving CPR skills. Our kneeling pads are a generous 21.75 by 12.25 inches and do not contain a handle cutout, so there's more useful kneeling space. This large surface will reduce knee pain, lower back stress, and reluctance on the student's part to practice in a kneeling position during training. Now, you know what to expect when you receive your CPR training kit. For more quality CPR training products and accessories, feel free to check out the MCR Medical website. Also, feel free to check out our YouTube channel for more helpful product videos. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.